Hey, what's up, Bepro Network? So this is the latest update of Bepro Network. What's the prediction? What's the future, my friends? Can they moving upward in upcoming time or not? Yeah, a lot of holder ask me this question, my brother. Too, I think Bepro Network is also fails down very fastly. So the main reason is that they tell us, my brothers, to especially the main reason is that to crypto market is fails down. So therefore, Bepro is also network where fails down. But my friends, this is not a big reason. Let's check out, my brothers. Today I tell you, my brothers, to what's the prediction and what's the main reason today fails down, and can there is a chance to they will moving upward. Yes, exactly, the video is going to be very branded now, so kindly my all viewers, my subscriber who who watch my prediction very every day, my brother, so kindly I request you to like this video. Thank you so much. Okay, come to the point. This time, if you can see, my brother, this time the last 1 day chart is on the screen, and this chart is going to show you, my brother, today completely fails. Now you can see this time they hit the resistance line. So if they hit the resistance line, the resistance line is come out to here. So you can see this time they cross the resistance line. So if they fails down from the resistance line, so it's mean to their change occur will be negative, and if they change occur will be negative, so exactly they are completely and the loss. So therefore, my friends, I tell you, my brother, to this time you can see here after a jump they fails down. You can see here after a jump they fails down, but definitely after this fails they also take a very good jump now. So exactly after this fails they will also take a very good jump now. So every cryptocurrency is moving in this style. To after a fails they take a very good jump. So therefore I hope, my friends, after these fails they also take a very good jump. So it's mean to the future is going to be very bright. So just you need to, you just and only, my brother, wait for the end of this month. If you wait just and only for the end of this month, I give you guarantee, my brother, to they will give you very good profit. You can see this time they completely fails down. So you can see here this time, especially the main reason is that to the short time investor they are starting selling in those days. So therefore I think they fails down. But I hope, my friends, when they hold, then exactly they will moving upward like a rocket. Definitely at the end of month every holder absolutely starting buying because they will give us very good profit at the end of month. So therefore he is starting at the start of month. So absolutely this is a good time, my friends, for all of you to you hold it. So hold it and wait for the end of this month. I hope, my brother, they will give you double price. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe this channel.